Hello, friends. I felt like sharing a dream with you all today. I thought, why not we can have a rainbow commune in Arambol? People from different parts of the world coming together and living as one big family. It is so wonderful. I was in Rainbow Gathering in 2018 in Muncheri. So it was such a wonderful experience. So many people are to meet and share experiences. There was singing, there was dancing, there was music, all kind of workshop. It was so much fun there. The 30 days of my life was the best days of my life, and I felt like why can't this be permanent? So I thought of starting a community in Arambol. If you are interested, just contact me and let's start it. Money is a big problem because we need money for infrastructure and our food. What we'll do for food? So we can try to crowdfund it, and later for our daily expenses we can sell some food and handicrafts in the flea market. And if you love this idea, you should also share your experience. Please share your experience in the comments below, and let's make this happen.